Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Acura MDX windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a flathead screwdriver, and a protective towel. Ensure your vehicle is completely off and the ignition is disabled for safety. Placing a towel or cardboard on the windshield is a good idea to prevent accidental damage during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it attaches to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield surface. Repeat these steps for the other wiper. Finally, let's test your new wiper blades. Turn on your Acura MDX and activate the wipers. Observe their operation, ensuring they move smoothly across the windshield and effectively clear water without streaking. Double-check that both wiper blades are firmly attached and functioning correctly. This quick test confirms a successful replacement, keeping your visibility clear and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.